Welcome to Financial Hub. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to log in Linth online banking account. Now, for that, firstly, make sure you open one preferred web browser. Here I'm opening Google Chrome. Now at the search bar, you can simply search banklinth.ch and press enter. Now you will be led to this kind of page, and at the top you can see 4 options: private customer, corporate customer, the LLB and e-banking. You need to click on e-banking. Now here you need to fill down your credential, that is your user ID and your password. Now if you need any kind of help, here you can see more options. You can click on that and you can simply click on help, and there you can see guidelines according to your problem. If not, then you can simply click on login and you will be logged in to your Linth bank account. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Financial Hub. Thank you.